grinding for the guala with my team, we stay up late. Never let nobody come between me and the pay, but you know I slip paid. Yeah, you know I'm with my gang, we just flexing all designer with these diamonds on my rings. Yo, VVS my neck, catch me running up a check. Yeah, I'm running up a band while I'm running through those head. I just spent a check and I made it back. I just spent a stack on a go yard back. I just flexed up, I ain't going back. Exes on my phone, I won't call them back.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel, Gang Fam Squad. What's up? Wheels are done from powder coating, we're gonna go put those up, drop them off at the tire shop today, get those mounted, and we're gonna finally have some new wheels on the T37, so that's today's vlog. Literally, we're getting it done just in time. We leave Saturday for Tutor Evo, so we're getting this done just in time. I'm gonna head over to the powder coater now. We'll see what they look like, and then we will see them on the car at long last. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, let's get today's video started. My dumbass almost forgot the new lug nuts. We're about to pull up. Are y'all ready to see some wheels? Are you? Are you? Are you? Alright, take the light off. Not put it on. Yeah. That's sick. Crystal. We can crack black. Okay, so 2, 3 in the back. 1 right here. Let's take these off to the tire shop. Well, car's dropped off to the shop. I will be playing some Pokemon Yellow. Waiting for that shit. They said to be ready around like 5. It's like 11 now, so I will see you guys when I gotta pick up the car. So. Boy, guys, do we have issues. I'm gonna work on my car as soon as I get home, so I'm taking it through the touchless real quick. Because it rains every day here, every other day. So, it's bad dirty. Black cars, impossible to keep clean, don't even try. So, we got the wheels on, and before I show you guys the stance, we have a couple problems off the rip that we need to address. So dilemma number 1, we ended up just using the stock tire sizes, which is like 255 for the front, 285 for the back. That was issue number 1. Running a 285 tire on a 12 wide rim stretched the bitch way more than I thought it would. We need a fucking 335 for the rear. I'll have to order those next check. We need like a 245 in the front. There's like 20mm gap between. So there's a 20mm gap between like where the rim sits and like the fender. The show is Thursday. The show is on Saturday. There's no way in hell I'm getting tires to my house and mounted before I have to leave for the show on Saturday. So I'm gonna do some measuring when I get home, and I hate doing it, but I'll just say fuck it. Realistically, I kind of fucked myself, but I mean, yeah, we're fucked, but I'm gonna try to save it. So realistically, back tires for 2 335s like Federals or whatever, $300. Front camber arm, $700, and then probably like $250 for the front. Okay, so I'm out here at the car wash, looking at a damn pool. Car's washed. Now, front fitment isn't bad. My tire's off a little bit, but a camber arm will correct it. As you can see, it is decently close. I have about a 1 finger gap in between this. I'm not taking the liners out, you can kiss my ass, but I have about a 1 finger gap between, like 1.5, 2 this way, gap between the tire and the lip. So I need to come down in tire size because I'm rubbing. This is a 255. I think a 245 will get me where I need to be. So just a camber arm and a downsize in tire should fix that, no problem. Here's the new Volks. Absolute fire. Now the rears is where I fucked myself. The rears or whatever, huge gap. See this? I know it doesn't look like much, but this is 20 millimeters, at least 25. I can fit 2 fingers up there instantly, and this is aired out. Aired out, we want this to be here. So like the fitment is just the same as the stocks. So a fatter tire will bring the wheel out. That's the whole point. That's what we need to do. This is a 285. We need to bring this out to a 335. A 335 will bring the tire out this much. So the rim won't actually change, but it'll push the tire out to the well. It'll push the tire out this far, and that's what we need. So I'm gonna go home, put spacers on the backs and run them for the show, but I'll show you guys the difference that this is gonna make up. It's insane. So this is aired up height. It doesn't look that bad, but aired up, you can definitely see the stretch in these from the back. Like, you can tell you're stretching. Like, super obvious is like when the lip of the rim sticks out farther than the tire. So we got a nice stretch going on right there. A little too much for my blood. A 335 will bring this tire out to like here. And mind you, when you air out, you camber. So once that camber's in, that tire will make up for it. So this is driving height or whatever. Like I said, the wheels came out sick. And actually, after doing a bit of tweaking, the front wheels are fine. I could leave that tire size, but I definitely need to do the backs. And other less depressing news, Shelby's front lip is here for the BRZ. So, we'll have this baby to the rest of the parts. Guys, if you want a BRZ or like something hella static, there's literally no point in you paying $300 for a lip and you're gonna beam it off in 2 months. You need to learn to drive static or very low. Get some rep lips. They're like 1/10 of the fucking price. And, you know what I mean? You could buy literally 10 of them instead of just buying 1. And her parts are slowly stacking up. Coilovers. My stock coilovers. Her wheels, her lip. The GTR wheels, the stock ones. My suit, you know, all of the essentials out here. Alright guys, so moment of truth for the backs. This is how they currently sit. So now we're gonna see what they look like aired out. So let me get in my AccuAir app. It's just a controller for the phone, in case you didn't know. So we're gonna do these slowly and see how they fit. It is gonna be close. Worked out pretty good. I could have went like even a little better, but that's a lot better than what it was. You know what I'm saying? So, seal of approval. This is just temporary until the new tires get here, but that looks a whole hell of a lot better than what it did, for sure. So here's a quick 360 of how it currently sits without camber arms. Like I said, the fronts, like without camber arms, there's really nothing we could do. Like, but the backs are A1. She is okay. Pretty much calling it a wrap for today's vlog. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, like always. I'll see you guys in the next video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.
Ain't nobody flies us. Smoking all day and they get high as us. Yeah, I take the weed and I grind it up. Yeah, I stepped in the spot looking fly as fuck. Yeah, in my old school Vans with my socks pulled up. Girls gon' fly when the click show up. Champagne pot, got the weed rolled up. Step in the spot, all eyes on us. Big pants and the hot top chucks. Bow downtown, let the team blow up. Step in the spot, all eyes on us. Step in the spot, all eyes on us. School Vans with my socks pulled up.